Can we walk on the concrete? Okay. I'm walking on the concrete. I'll probably get in trouble. I'll stay off the good stuff. Oopsie. Alright, so let's see, our old backyard had 9 heads on one side. Our grass is probably going to be about a third the size of what it was, and let's see, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alexa said there's 13 in this one little patch of grass. So, I guess they didn't do it right the first time. There's Alexa. And that's where our fountain's gonna go. And we just got back from looking at fountains, and I think we picked one with a giant pineapple. I was lobbying for one with a naked woman with big boobs, but I didn't get that. Train. Oh, there's another. Oh my god, there's more sprinkler heads. Oh my goodness, this lawn's gonna grow like a champ. That's just crazy. Our old lawns, no wonder it died. Pipes, new pipes. Still the hole in the fence. There looks like 4 new valves. So they broke 2 of them, I think. We only have a 6-valve controller, so I think we're gonna have to get another one. Oops, sorry, bad aim. Alright, that's it. That's it for now. See what they do tomorrow.